Welcome back, class. So today we are going to look at the work that I left you last time. We see whether you are able to get the correct answers. Then quickly we shall move to another substrand. We are going to look at quarters. So for now, the work is right there. Let's see what you got. There was a half of 16. So what is the answer for a half? A half of 16. Okay, what do you get? Now this one basically is we have two pupils, so I like us to use pupils. We have two pupils, and then you are dividing 16 mangoes. Let's see what each of them gets. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each is going to get 8. You can count the other one also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, each gets 8. And that means a half of 16 is 8. So you can simply put here 8. A half of 16 is 8. Now, a half of 18. I'll take another paper. A half of 18. So a half of 18 again, I have two pupils. So I have one there, and another one here. And I have 18 mangoes. So I divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Therefore, a half of 18 equals to 9. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, therefore a half of 18 is 9. A half of 14. A half of 14, we divide together. I have two pupils and I have 14 mangoes. So we are doing a half of 14 equals to dash. Now let's divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So a half of 14 is 7. A half of 22. We follow the same procedure. A half, always we are dividing into 2. We have two pupils and we are dividing, it could be oranges, mangoes, cakes, it could be anything. So we are looking at a half of 22. A half of 22. Let's see what each gets. So I have my two pupils and I have 22 mangoes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, a half of 22 is 11. Put 11 here. A half of 24. Okay? We look at a half of 24. A half of 24 equals to dash. So I have two pupils, and I have 24 mangoes. Let's divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Therefore, a half of 24 is 12. Okay? And those are the answers that you should have been able to get if you did your work correctly. Now we are going to go to another strand, which we are calling a quarter. So we want to see dividing into 4 equal parts. Okay? You have a group of items and you want to divide into 4 equal parts. So here I'm going to demonstrate this. I'm going to demonstrate this with I'm going to have to take 4 friends, 4 pupils. I'm going to have the first one here, second one here, third one, okay, and then the fourth one. So I have those. I have 4 pupils. Okay. Those are my 4 pupils. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring out 8 sweets. Okay, so I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So now I have 8 sweets and I have 4 friends. So we want to see how many sweets each pupil going to get. We have 4 pupils and 8 sweets. How many sweets will each pupil get? So I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've given 1 to each, and then I go back and repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have given out 8 sweets amongst 4 pupils. You can see the pupils are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sweets are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each of them has got how many sweets? Let's look at the first one. Okay, the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth. Okay, and I hope you can remember how to write the short form: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so how many does the first one get? The first one gets 1, 2. The second one gets 1, 2. The third one gets 1, 2. And the fourth one, 1, 2. So each gets 2 sweets. This one gets 2, this one 2, the second 2, and the first 2. And we can write this as a quarter of 8 is equals to 2. Because you can see a quarter basically means we are dividing into 4 equal parts. We've taken these sweets and we've shared them equally amongst 4 pupils, and that gives us 2. So a quarter of 8 is 2. Now let's go back to our textbook, page number 51. Okay, down there, right down there, you can see you've been given an example of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mangoes, and they are being divided equally into 4 parts. We have 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. So each is going to have how many mangoes? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each will have 2. Therefore, a quarter of 8 is 2, as we have just shown with the sweets, that actually a quarter of 8 is 2. Now let's proceed on and see some exercises that you can be able to do. Okay, so we have there page 52. At the top, we have triangles that you need to divide. There are 4 triangles. Divide that into 4 equal parts. So it's very simple. I always like to use the pupils to share out. So now this time we are not using 2, but we are using 4 instead. So I'll have 4 pupils. 4, that is, those are 3. Then, and I have 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I give each one 1. I give this one, this one, this one, this one.